Honda key. 2024 Honda Grom. What the heck? What the heck? We bought the old Grom back. Me and Dylan tried our best to kind of straighten the frame out. It was sketchy. Definitely sketchy what we tried to do. I'll throw up a clip somewhere. But hey, it runs pretty much straight. We got a bent front wheel. The steering stop on the frame's broke. Frame's still a little twisted. Put the stock bars back on it because the bars I wrecked with were pretty mangled. Dash is destroyed. The dash mount, which I believe is also the headlight mount, is destroyed. So I just got it zip tied on here. What else we got? I don't know. It held up pretty good, honestly. We broke this side plastic, but like the rear sets, which are very common for breaking on the Groms, not even cracked. Nothing. So I'm pretty amazed by that. Exhaust is a little scratched up. Subframe's bent. This person is not having that. When I picked it up, all my lights worked, but now this blinker bulb stopped working. Just the running light one though. It works whenever you got your turn signal on. But yeah, she's still wheelies too. Despite the frame being a little twisted, she's still a menace. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited to have the Grom back on the channel. I'm gonna kind of leave it the way it is and tinker with it here and there, but when springtime comes, we're gonna do a full rebuild on it, get a new frame, new subframe, everything that's messed up plus a little more. I don't exactly know if we're gonna like build it back to the way it was or build it to a super Grom, maybe turn it into a pit bike because it's already destroyed. So I mean, yeah, y'all be ready for a lot of abuse getting thrown at this thing, because that's what it's made for now. It only had 315 miles on it when I wrecked it. Can y'all believe that? You know, I always seen bikes on like Copart and stuff with very, very, very low miles, kind of like that, and I'm like, how did people manage to do that?
Right here.
And then, yeah, it happened to me. I understand now. Oh! Yes, sir! Oh. That's something I need to learn. I don't know how he does it with the crossbar. It's kind of crazy. Oh.
That's a nice job.
Yeah, look at that. That's part of the frame being tweaked. Yeah, it's not good. The Grom tires are crazy. Hello. Outside, baby. Even in the wintertime. Woo! Uh-oh. Ah. Woo! Oh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. she wasn't having it. Woo! Oh! Roll it to a stop. Woo!
Break them in.
Yeah, it's already broken. It hit a curb and did like 4 front flips. That's how you break them in.
Good point. I'll do that next time.
Yeah, despite all that wrecking nonsense, the Grom is feeling pretty solid. It's kind of scary, honestly. Honda has made a unit right here. Golly, y'all ever just feel that on the bike? That just, woo! Load of energy. Scooter guy. Third gear is not it.
People probably hate us right now.
Act normal.
Why?
Act normal.
What do you mean? What? Oh, dude, don't do that. You scared me. Oh my god. Like, I'm about to run.
You're gonna run on the Grom?
Maybe in traffic.
Ew. Now that we're out of traffic, we can act up, boys. Woo! Golly. You need to teach me that. You need to teach me that.
I'll show you the way.
Show me the way. We need to go that way. I'm mini supermoto things. Y'all let me know, did y'all like the dirt bike in the street or do y'all like the Grom? I'm kind of excited to have the Grom back. I really did like the dirt bike in the street. I'm not saying I'm never gonna do it again, but I bought that dirt bike really just to ride motocross, and now I'm kind of wanting to do the woods thing too. So just it on the street is not going to help the longevity of it at all.